Hi, I'm Kirsty and this is Lily again. And as you can see, we're using the ants and the apple cards. Lily's been doing them for a long time now. She's actually pretty good. And she's moved over to the print version, so with no picture. Are you ready, Miss Lily? You're going to do the whole thing. Very good. Bite your lip for me. Very good. Vampire's vacuuming. Oh no, you're right. Dolphins diving. Yeah, what sound does R make? Rabbit reading. Good girl. The name of the letters R. The sound is Fox in a box.
Good. Wait, what?
Words out walking. What? You're right. And I love that you fixed it all by yourself. You didn't need me to tell you. Oh, I've got the two cuts in a row, haven't I? Good girl. Very good, and you're done. That was fantastic. Great.